Meaning of incur.
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 Incur. The verb incur refers to the act of becoming subject to something unpleasant or undesirable, often as a result of one's own actions. It implies that some kind of cost, penalty, or burden is imposed upon the individual. For example, if you behave recklessly and break traffic laws, you may incur fines from the authorities. Incurring expenses or debts can also refer to spending money that one may not have planned or budgeted for. The consequences of incurring such costs can be significant and potentially long-lasting, affecting one's financial, legal, and personal circumstances.